2 grave stickers. One Scooby-Doo. One Stone Crusher. One Cranberry. One.
All right, Monster.
One Monster.
Hey.
One grave sticker.
All right, boys and girls, we are gonna open Monster Jam
And Hot Wheels.
and Hot Wheel
And Loco.
and Monster Jam. So we're gonna start with El Toro Loco from Monster Jam.
I
Let's
can
see.
open it.
Wait, I will help you. See, he is a die cast.
Yeah.
Ooh, hold on, let me help you. It is not easy to open one-handed. There we go. Almost there. Oh, there we go. And there is El Toro Loco. Let's see. Show it to the fans.
And it got cool horn.
It has a cool horn, huh?
And it got black wheels.
And the black
And
wheels.
it got classic cars.
Wow. And he comes with a little wristband. His is orange. We'll get it later. And that's all the different ones you can collect. We're going to go through the collection later and make another video showing all the different ones, right?
Yep.
Okay, now we're going to go to Hot Wheel Loco Punk. That's right.
And it says crushable car. 1. Fold and click to assemble. Then to crush it.
So it comes with a crushable car. All right.
And my brother kind of opened it in the car, so
He
it's
broke
easy
the
to
bottom,
open.
yeah.
I just burst it. There's Loco Punk. He's a train.
He is a train. I also die cast.
Psycho.
No, he is a Toro, which is a
This
bull.
one back.
Okay.
And he's
And where's the
a bull.
right? He's a Toro,
And he's a train.
and he is a train.
Bull. He's a
And
train and he's a bull.
so Hot Wheels are a little bigger on the tire, right? Their tires are a little bigger, and that's the crushable car. You're gonna build it?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you how you can crush it. Smaller.
All right.
So see, and it doesn't look. It says a little smaller.
It's a little smaller. The wheel is a little smaller. Let's see. Put it next to each other. See? So Hot Wheel has bigger tires. They're the same height, but Hot Wheel has bigger tires.
But not Monster Jam.
Monster Jam has smaller
Mom,
tires.
this is not fitting.
Okay, let me see.
It's that other part's not fitting.
The other part's not fitting here.
Yep.
There we go.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
And do a little bit of that. It's kind of hard on the side.
All right, let me see. Oh, you have to get it just right. All right.
Now
And
look what Loco Punk can do. Even Ultra Loco can do it. Crushes it.
you have to crush it. Wow, and it crushed.
Look what that Loco can do.
Toro Loco can do that too. We just gotta build it every single time.
He can do one time.
Right. All right. So thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
We're gonna be going through our collection later
Yeah.
and showing all the different monster trucks from Hot Wheels and from Monster Jam that we have. We're still missing a lot.
And the monster machine.
Right. And Blaze and the Monster Machine. That's right. Thank you for watching.
Bye.